I am also a tax strategist, and I've been in the finance industry for over 18 years. As a solopreneur, right, or someone who's an entrepreneur. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Tax Takeover, where we bring you the latest tips and strategies to help you save on your taxes and, most importantly, scale your business. So today we're going to do a little something different, y'all. We're going to change it up. We're going to pivot into another advisory service, which is that of a part-time or fractional CFO. Okay, so we're going to discuss what the role of a fractional CFO is, because having a fractional CFO in your business is a game changer. So I want you to make sure that you grab your notebooks, because you are about to discover how this financial superhero can take your company to new heights, right? So if you're joining me for the first time, I want to introduce myself for our first time viewers. My name is Samara Andrews, and I'm going to be your tax strategist expert, and guess what? Fractional CFO expert for the duration of the show, right? So to give you a little more information about my background, I am an accountant, I'm a financial analyst with over 18 years of experience in accounting. Some of that also being in public accounting now that I own my own firm. I'm also an enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service, and so I specialize in working with growing and established business owners who want to retain more of their profits, pay themselves, and build a legacy, right, through the tool of advisory services, all right? So tax planning included, right? So you might be wondering what exactly a fractional CFO is. Well, think of them as a financial wizard, if you will. This is a seasoned professional in finance who swoops in to provide strategic guidance and support on a part-time basis. So unlike a full-time CFO officer who commands like a hefty salary, yeah, a fractional CFO officer offers their expertise and assistance on a fractional basis. So they design tailored strategies to your specific needs as the business owner and to your budget, right? So this is why a fractional CFO is more appealing than having a full-time CFO for those businesses who are small and trying to grow, right? So in order for a fractional CFO to be effective, they must understand the overall business, including the operations, your financials, payroll, and both short-term and long-term goals of your business. So you can see that although they're considered a part-time CFO, there's going to be a lot of relationship building communication that is done between the owner or the C-suites or the executives of the business and that part-time or fractional CFO, right? So you're probably wondering, how exactly does a fractional CFO contribute to the growth of my business, right? So firstly, they possess a wealth of experience working with businesses of all sizes and industries. So this means that they can quickly assess your financial landscape. And all financial landscape is all the money that you have coming in and all of the money that you have going out, okay? They can also identify inefficiencies or bottlenecks, and they can develop a comprehensive growth strategy that is customized for your business, all right? So that's why at Five Finance, we cater to multiple industries, and we have experience working with organizations in the utilities industry, manufacturing, logistics, and construction spaces, to just name a few. So we wanted to make sure that we are able to help our clients no matter what industry that they are in order to grow and scale their business in a way that's sustainable, right? So a fractional CFO will conduct a thorough financial analysis, right? So they're going to examine your books. They're going to look at the profitability, which means how much money you are retaining. And they're also going to look at your cash flow, right? Money coming in, money going out, okay? So armed with this powerful insight, Now they can collaborate with you to craft a strategic plan that helps your business make more strategic decisions, help you reduce your costs, and even identify opportunities for you to grow. Right? So they'll outline what we call key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track your progress and provide expert guidance to keep you on the path towards success, right? So when you're talking to your fractional CFO, there are some crucial KPIs that should be in the conversation, right? So these can include your operating cash flow, your revenue growth rate, your gross profit margin, your net profit margin, your operating expense ratio, your working capital ratio, your return on equity, and your debt to equity ratio. And some of these I've actually created calculators for that I used to share way back then. So I think I might reintroduce that, right? So I know that was a lot of financial jargon that I overloaded you with. So please be sure to download my CFO cheat sheet after the video. The link is going to be in the description, so that you can understand thoroughly what those items are, so that you can understand what key performance indicators you and your financial or chief financial officer should be looking over. All right. Now, it's also important to note that the success is not just about growth. Okay. Your fractional CFO should also be considering the sustainability, because that is just as important. Okay. A fractional CFO brings an outside perspective. They help you streamline operation, increase efficiencies, and they optimize your financial structure. Okay, a fractional CFO, they can implement some robust financial controls. They can help you develop budgets, and they can institute cash flow management systems to ensure that your business remains resilient and can weather any storm. So again, it's not just about scaling your business, but it's about implementing strategies and a framework that will help you sustain the business at the level that the CFO elevates you to, right? So by closely monitoring your financial health, a fractional CFO will help you identify potential pitfalls. They will also help you navigate through challenges, all right? Their expertise in risk management ensures that you are adequately safeguarded against unforeseen circumstances, right? They also work with you. So you can control costs, and they help you negotiate with suppliers. They also seek out opportunities for operational improvements as well. So it's not just about the financials, people. A good fractional CFO is going to do a deep dive into the operations to make sure that there are no missing pieces to the puzzle, right? Because in order for this to run properly, sorry, I got tongue tied. They have to make sure that they're looking for those bottlenecks, things that may be in operation that could limit your strategies or cause you not to achieve those goals that you're trying to achieve, right? So, with the support of a fractional CFO, you can focus on what you do best, okay? Growing your business while having peace of mind and knowing that your financial strategies are in the hands of an expert, okay? And that's a game changer, right? It levels the playing field for businesses of all sizes by providing the financial guidance once reserved for large corporations, okay? So that's the power of having a chief financial officer or a fractional CFO, is that you can now operate in the same landscape as larger businesses, but on a budget that you can afford, right? So there you have it, right? A fractional CFO is indispensable, right? They're an indispensable asset to your business that can unlock the full potential of your business. Therefore, the cost of hiring a fractional CFO should not be viewed as an expense, y'all. This is an investment, okay? This is an investment to your company, especially if you are in a position where you're trying to grow your company or scale your company. That's all scale means, is grow, okay? So don't hesitate to reach out, right, and explore how partnering with us as your chief financial officer or fractional CFO can drive growth and ensure long-term sustainability, right? So I know this was different from the tax takeover. It was short and it was sweet, but I really wanted to kind of set the stage of what we're going to be talking about going forward, because although we do offer tax planning and tax strategies as an advisory services, we do also offer CFO advisory services as well. And so we want to make sure that our clients are whole, right? So I want you to understand what a CFO does and the benefits that they bring. And then we'll definitely do some deep dives into the various reports of CFOs and then how they are beneficial to you as a client. All right. So if you found this video valuable, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribing to our YouTube channel for more insightful content, right? Make sure that you are also following us on our social media platforms, okay? So we are on LinkedIn and we are on Facebook. Make sure you are following us there. And if you want to connect with us personally, make sure you visit our website and you book a call with us, right? So that we can definitely do a discovery call, do a deep dive into the type of fractional CFO services that you may be looking for to scale your business, all right? So again, thank you for joining me for this Tuesday evening, Five Finance family. I want you to have a blessed and prosperous Tuesday evening, and I will see you all next week. See ya.